Hi, this is Ava from Realty Candy. Today I'm going to be showing you the Google search widget on IDXAddons.com for WordPress, Webflow, Squarespace, and more. If you're looking for a really great Google Map search to put into your website, this is the place to go. So I am on IDXAddons.com right now. I'm on the dashboard. You can just go over here to the menu, click on Apps. You're going to scroll down towards the bottom, and where it says Maps right here, just click one. There it is, Google Map widget. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page right here. And we have the map coordinates listed right here at the top. So this is your latitude and longitude right here. And then there's the tutorial right here on the side if you need more details, more info about right there. And yeah, this is just going to help you get more information about the specific area that you want to cite the coordinates for on your website. So it makes it really easy and really simple. So we were here at setup originally, and if you click over to style, you can pick the Google Maps style that you want for your website. So if you click here, explore other styles for maps, scroll down, you can see all the options that they have. You can click next, and there's even more. So I'm going to pick this vintage old Western style map. And so I've selected it. It's here. You can scroll down on styles, and there's the code at the bottom. So I'm going to click copy code. So now that it's copied, I'm going to go over to my website, which is, in my case, JS Fiddle, and I'm going to pop it into the coding area. So now that it's in there, you can click Run, and there's the map that I just selected. So typically you can zoom in, and you can find certain locations based on whatever area that you're going to be in. So I see some popping up here. So I'm going to click on this one, and then you can see there's the listing right there. So, and you can do that for all sorts of locations with all sorts of styles of maps. So yes. Now that we've clicked our Google Maps style right here, you can scroll down and you can change how the listings appear on the screen. So right now we have them listed as rows to pop up, but we can also click cards, and you just click continue. And now your listings will show up as cards. So more of a side-to-side look rather than the one at a time individual rows. But if you'd like to switch back to that, you just click it, continue, and now you're back to rows. So if you scroll down further, there is the custom code area. So I put my custom code in right here. As you can see, the price currently is like a black sort of shade of text, just kind of the normal automatic text shade. So, but then you go over here, you click save. It says saved, go back to your website, select run, and you're going to find your locations. Okay, there's one. And do you see how the text shade has changed? That is just from the custom code area that I put in through the back end right here, and then it switched over to my website. So that is the gist of how to use the Google Map widget. So very simple, very handy when creating your website. So if you don't want to use Google Map widget though, we have an advanced version of it. So if you go back to IDX add-ons menu, scrolling down to maps right here, right next to Google Map widget, we have Google Map Widget Pro. So very similar to what we just looked at, but with more filters, more foundational advancements, and just going to make the overall process of creating your website improve. So that is available to use as well, but Google Map Widget is free for IDX brokers to use, which is really nice, and you can apply it to your WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Webflow, Squarespace, Duda, Cargo, Pure IDX, and just any website that will accept an HTML widget. So yes, that is the Google Map widget for IDX brokers. So again, if you are an IDX broker client, you can get this for free. Just contact us at realtycandy.com and we'll tell you how. Thank you so much.